Morning guys. So today I'm doing something special. I'm going to cycle all the way up to Upper Thomson Road with my friend, and we are going to see the sunrise at the Ulu Sembawang Park Connector network. So the time now is 6:12 a.m. and it's still dark out, so I've got this frog light that finally arrived. Just gonna slap them on my front handlebar here, and also my tail light, so to make sure that they are both working. Alright, so this is good. These as well. Okay, awesome. Okay, time to set off. I think it's already on the way. I'm probably running late already, so I'll talk on the way. Alright, time now is around 6:13 and I'm going on my way to the park connector that will bring me to Ulu Sembawang. So my friend is already on his way, and we are using the WhatsApp live chat function to share our location. Let's see. He probably was already on his way like 5-10 minutes ago. So we're going to meet at Sembawang Hills Food Centre. This is my first experience riding out so early in the morning, and it's really nice. There's nobody on the road, on the park connector I mean. And I'm a little nervous because I'll be cycling towards Ulu Sembawang Park Connector, and I'm not sure if there are any street lights along. If there isn't, I'll probably just have to ride more cautiously. I'm now on the first stretch going into the Sembawang Park Connector, and I'm not sure if there's any more lights after this area right in front. Yep, nope. So I'll ride through here myself, and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay guys, I think we've reached the end of the park connector, going on to Mandai Avenue before returning to Mandai Road later. Open road right now, so easy cruising. So oh yeah, I'll stop at the side because I need to put on my mount onto my chest harness. Too many road vigilantes in Singapore, so I better not use this GoPro on the hand. So I also particularly chose a bright colored t-shirt to wear. I don't have any like cycling jerseys or whatnot, so just a bright colored teal t-shirt. Oh yeah, my buddy and I are sharing our location via WhatsApp live. So oh sorry, let's see where he's at right now. Damn, I think he's already there, and I'm still maybe 8 clicks out. 6:26. So I've been cycling for maybe 10-15 minutes. I forgot to turn on my Strava app. Damn. Arrow, go arrow. I think we are coming up to Springleaf Station. So all you Springleaf prata lovers here from Taupo. Yep, on the left. Oh, finally arrived. Wow, so tired already. Wow, our first one incline already. Okay, we are now on Mandai Avenue. It's already bright. No more sunrise. 20. I think the place you want to go is just in front of me. Yeah, oh, not too bad. Hey Jeff. That's it. Right, so we covered, I think, a total distance of 40 plus kilometers today. We went to Upper Thomson, meet up with Jeff, and came back to Ulu Sembawang Park Connector. Then I brought him up via the Park Connector to Woodlands waterfront. After that, we proceeded to have a light breakfast in the Marsling area at Mr. Teh Tarik, and lastly cycled together with him all the way to Sembawang by Meepen Place, and that's where we part ways. And currently on my way back home now via Gambas and Woodlands Avenue 12 straight ahead, turning left. So hope you guys enjoy whatever that we recorded, and yeah, today's a really hot day. Yeah, it was nice and cool in the morning, but started to get real hot from like 9 o'clock onwards. But overall, it's a great ride. My first experience riding outside beyond like Woodlands, Admiralty, Sembawang area. Yeah, but I think the most important thing is to really stay safe on the road. Yeah, try and keep left as much as possible. Watch out for cars coming from behind, and also to signal your intentions before like turning or filtering right or left. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for staying around.